Hi everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. It's been a while since I've done a jewellery tutorial. I've actually been poorly with a virus and I had a really bad cold. It started with a cold, it went to my chest and I lost my voice. So I'm going to try, I'm still not 100%, but I'm going to try and get a tutorial up today. I've got lots of new stock. I'll quickly show you some bits. And these are part of that stock. These are made of clay and you can get 2 bracelets from 1 strand. So I'm just going to play around today, just show you what you can do. As always, I'll link the website below for you. I've got some 0.6 elastic. See, my throat's going now. So we're going to cut 12 inches. We're going to make a 7-inch bracelet, which is the standard size. Give it a stretch. Add a bead clip to the end, or a stationary clip as I'm using. And I'm just going to cut those. There are so many things you can make with these, and I think they're so fun. And don't waste those little ones on the end. And just start threading. Just over that one. I'm going to do a surgeon's knot. So we go over twice, then we go just once the opposite way and pull, and I always do 1 for luck. Then we snip off the ends. It's up to you. If you want to put a dab of glue on the end, feel free. Then I'm just going to hide the knot inside. And there's that one. And then we're just going to do 1 more. So again, 12 inches. Give it a stretch, bead clip, and So I'm doing 5, 1 of those, 2 of those, 1 of those. Let's see how that looks. Again, we go over twice. Once the other way. And 1 for luck. And snip. Okay, so that's 2 bracelets. We've still got these left over. Make some earrings. So as always, thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner.